Hey, what's going on YouTube? You're watching Exquisitemad. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. So today, I'm gonna be working on this 182. This is a Cessna 182, and as you can see, it's got some issues. The paint's faded, it's got a lot of oxidation. Gotta clean it, gotta degrease it, gotta get all the soot and the oil and just the contamination from just the elements off of this thing before we can even do anything with it. But let me give you a walk around of it. I'm gonna show you the before, then I'm gonna get into actually working on it. And I'm gonna let you see just some pieces of that. Hope you enjoy. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this paint is just toast. It's toast. It looks horrible. It looks awful. But, and you can definitely tell the difference between this and that. Which there are some wear and tear and defects in here, but that's fine though. That's fine. It's fine. We're gonna make it look good. So, as you can see, the paint is just dry, which there's no reflection in it. It's just strictly just, it's bad, y'all. It's bad. So, looking at the sides of this thing, yeah, you can see some shine, but when you get up close to it, you can see this haze, just this nastiness. See all this? That's all gotta go bye-bye. That's gotta go bye-bye. And you could look up here, even though the paint may look good from a distance, when you get right up on this, it looks horrible. So, going to be taking care of this. As you can see, it's the same thing all over it. It's just bad. But you can see right here, I mean, it's just oxidation, 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 oxidation cite. With the top, you can tell it's been repainted, which is fine, but we're gonna get a little bit right here. Looking at the leading edge here. The props are new, which is great. But as you can see, the paint, as you're looking at this thing, is bad. It's really, really bad. I'm gonna change the game up on this airplane, which it should look a lot better after it's done. So this is gonna be a cool transformation video. It's gonna be an awesome transformation video. Hope you like this video. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be a long day of work, long day, but it's gonna be totally satisfying. So I'm gonna go ahead and change shirts real quick. You're gonna see me in a totally different shirt, and yeah, don't want to mess this one up. So anyway, if you wanna actually buy a shirt like this or any of the other shirts that we have, please visit us on exquisitemad.com. That's exquisitemad.com. You send us a message, someone will get back to you as soon as possible. So we just got finished working on this Cessna 182, and as you can see, it absolutely turned out exquisite. If you have an aircraft that you need detailed and you are in the southeastern United States, that means Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, or Tennessee, please contact us at 1-800-292-2341. That's 1-800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the after, the walk around, and hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.